So today I'm making a video on how to get the engine number for a Mercedes GLS 450, any type of Mercedes actually. And first of all, you need this thing. Okay, so go. Well, turn it on. Turn on the vehicle. And you see right here? This button right here, the airbag button. Make it go up. And close the door. Yeah, you need to. Yeah. So this button right here, it's going up right now. And you're gonna need one of these. So I'm gonna climb in there to show you where it actually is. And if you guys don't want to get dirty, just play with shit. Alright. So come down here. Look through that. Turn the light on. So just look through that, and I'm gonna show you where it's at. Right there. Can you see it right there in the camera, in the screen?
Oh, okay, but it's not so clear. Can you take picture?
No, my hand doesn't fit. That's why I only write it down.
I can't see the engine number.
It's right there, stamped. It should be 303. It always starts with 303. 91297. And then it has two little stars. The stars don't mean anything. You don't need those. So it looks like it's this muffler part, and coming right off, it is towards the passenger side. That's still on the driver's
Can you
side.
use my phone and take picture? Because my phone.
My hand doesn't. Oh, your phone's smaller?
My phone is small.